Hi, welcome to the Foxborough office for Dermatology Associates. We're located on the second floor of 16 Chestnut Street. There's elevator and stairs available. Patients walk into the waiting room. The office is shaped like an L, so this portion of the L is our waiting room. Here's our reception area. Usually we have 2 people here at all times. We have an admin office. And down on this portion of the L-shaped office is our exam rooms and our lab area. There's 6 exam rooms here, all very similar in size and setup. The medical assistant stations are in the hallway outside of the exam rooms, making it easy for them to assist you. And we have a centralized supply closet area for our instruments, microscope station, and sutures. Medical assistants will come out and grab whatever sutures and instruments are needed for the patient. In the back, we have our provider office. 3 providers share the office in addition to our dermatopathologist. Reads slides in this office. We used to have our pathology lab here. Now our lab is still utilized by the path department for the receptionist for the dermatopathologist, where they'll store and read cases here. The very back of the office is just a small kitchen area and employee bathroom. Then patients are asked to go back up to the reception area to check out. And they leave the same way. Thank you.